Hello YouTube. I made a previous video like this, but I forgot to plug my mic, so I'm doing it over. I bought some what I thought were all the same color casters for my welding table. As you can see here, it's got a 1/2 inch plate on it. I was gonna go cheaper, but you know what? My welding table is 3 feet by 4 feet by, I don't know how high it is, maybe 30 inches. And it is heavy. The steel plate, I think, I don't know, they told me it's over 200 pounds, plus I got all kinds of junk on it. But it doesn't move. It's too heavy, so I got these casters. I don't know why that one is orange, different color. Maybe this one's more Home Depot orange, and these ones, and I don't know, probably different batch. But they're all rated 300 pounds each. The table's got to be at least 400 pounds with all the stuff on it, including the, what do you call it, my purple vise, my 125 pound chopper, and my English wheel here, including lots of junk underneath. But anyway, I'm going to put these down on the bottom, because on the bottom here, I don't know if you can see it, I basically welded 1-inch bolts, and I welded a nut and I screwed in a bolt on the end. So that's what's holding my table. So I'm gonna increase, I don't know if you can see this here, I don't know if you can do this at one hand, but I'm going to put these right over here, put them down about another maybe inch and a half, and then that should give me enough room to unscrew the bolt and level it when I need it, and then screw the bolt in to put the wheels on. Or if it's level, I'll just use these Lockheed casters.